Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best mini beverage fridge you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many mini beverage fridge and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each mini beverage fridge so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a mini beverage fridge. First, check the size and capacity to ensure it fits your available space and can hold the number of drinks you need. Second, consider the cooling performance and temperature range, as some fridges are better suited for specific beverages like wine or soda. Third, look at energy efficiency to save on electricity bills and reduce environmental impact. Fourth, pay attention to design and noise level, since a sleek, quiet fridge can blend well in offices, dorms, or entertainment areas. Finally, think about extra features such as adjustable shelves, interior lighting, or lock options for convenience and safety. Making a smart choice ensures your beverages stay perfectly chilled and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.